Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of with app you click on settings. Here in this page you click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Wizz and you will go here to this window. In this page of app info you will click here on first stop and you will click OK. Then here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press the bell, like and subscribe. See you next time.